while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023 as indicated by our Ethereum Expectation 2023. The coin might have least in most extreme costs of around $1,607 and $3,904 individually. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025 when it is 2025. Our Ethereum figure proposes that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of $6,564 with a base cost of $4,559. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030 according to our and so forth cost expectation. It is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of $20,643 with a base cost of $14,340 in 2030. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level undertaking. It is generally well known among digital money fans, basically because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and the essential center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to figure out and chip away at brilliant agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0 likewise called peacefulness. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum structure with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a steady and reliable stage-wise uncovering with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to diminish the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend will expand its asset use execution amazingly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the Union are currently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. ETH digital currency confronted huge negative tension in the midst of a general market auction. And $179 the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 In continuation, due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further $179 since arriving at the ETH in November 2021. ETH digital money has stamped enormous unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a significant delay. Over the course of the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the fundamental justifications for why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were ceaselessly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, subsequently searching for preferred choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Notwithstanding, when Bitcoin at long last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In light of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. In the year 2021, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. Be that as it may, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Ethereum Forecast 2024 taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination. It tends to be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $5,097. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3,541 and $4,319. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025 according to our ETH expectation 2025. The base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum estimate uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. ETH Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost forecast, the coin might have a likely high and possible low of $11,142 and $7,740 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. ETH Expectation 2028. As per our Ethereum forecasts, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263 separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in light of our Ethereum crypto cost expectation. Ethereum Cost Gauge 2029. Constantly 2029. Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum coin cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030 in light of our examination. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto Epicurean. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will clearly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise venture guidance in any structure. Do your own exploration to diminish the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Notwithstanding, do your own intensive exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your venture goals to diminish every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this hopefulness. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being a significant venture. Gave you plan all your speculation choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have basically a worth of $14,028. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany brilliant agreements. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate Ethereum a wise interest as far as crypto conversion standard worth in the long haul. There is no demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly